is for ribbon. S is for... V is for visit. P is for party.
Q is for quiet.
Or sing.
T is for treats.
U is for unwrap. V is for